Yo, you too. What the fuckity fucking things going on with y'all boys? As y'all can probably tell, I got a GoPro and I just left the car wash. Yeah, how y'all boys been? What the fuck is there, Tyler? Oh yeah, yeah, I got a fucking GoPro, y'all see? I was gonna go to the dispo, well, not right now, but I was gonna waste my money on the dispo, but then I went to OfferUp and I was searching fucking GoPros, and I saw one that was not that expensive and it was a good one, the Hero 6. So I was like, fuck it, why not? And here we are. Right now I'm on my way to my class cause it's at 1 and it's 12:54, bro. 55. I got 5 minutes to get to class and it's like 10 minutes away. But a good thing you can show like at 1:15 and you're not like considered late. So yeah, I'm gonna keep recording just in case some shit happens, but I'll talk to y'all boys later. Alright y'all, we're in the freeway now, or the expressway, or the highway, whatever you guys call it. Shit, y'all gotta get the fuck up out of here. Get the fuck up out of here. Let me know if you guys like this type of POV. I'll make sure to do more, you know, more GoPro POVs. But I'm not gonna be recording that much right now, cause later I'm gonna go pick up my mom from the airport, so I'll be sure to vlog that, you know. But yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna keep the camera rolling just in case some shit happens, but I'm gonna just head to class right now, so nothing like too special, you know. Alright y'all, I'm like 2 minutes away, actually like a minute away, so you know, I made it like on time. But yeah, like I said, I'll make sure to record later when I go pick up my mom from the airport. I'm gonna try and make this a longer video, you know, cause all my other videos are like 5 minutes long, 6 minutes long. But yeah, I'll talk to you boys later. What the fuck? Yo, YouTube. Like I said, I'm on my way, as you guys can see. I'm on my way to the airport. I'm gonna go pick up my mom. But yeah. Shit, what am I gonna talk about, bro? I got 15 minutes to talk to y'all. So what the fuck should I talk about? Bro, you see, this is why I don't do this. I don't really vlog that much, or I do POVs, because naturally, bro, I don't really talk that much. And when I do talk, I don't even be making sense, you know, I'll just be yapping and shit. So, yeah. But I promise y'all, I am gonna get better at this, you know. Slowly but surely, I'm gonna get better at this. Gonna open a window, but the wind's gonna be like hella loud. So hey, but since I got a GoPro now, let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. You know, I got the fucking headband shit. I can like, I think that's her right there, bro. I don't know if you guys can see that fucking plane, but hey, that might be them, you know. But like I was saying, yeah, I got the little fucking thing you can put up here, the little suction cup shit. I got the whole accessory kit, bro. So yeah, let me know what type of videos you guys want to see with a GoPro. And also, once I start like getting more into the mechanic stuff, then I'll be sure to take my GoPro to class. Fuck the cops. Take my GoPro to class, you know, and show you guys around like how to do shit, you know. Because if I'm being honest, I don't really know a lot. I probably know like 5% of this fucking mechanic stuff. The cop is right behind me. Please don't let me get fucking pulled over. I mean, I'm driving good, so the only thing that can pull me over is for the fucking GoPro. So, but I don't think they're gonna pull me over for that shit. I'm gonna just let him go, bro. Fucking hate when cops are literally right behind me, bro. And especially if you guys smoke, you know. Shit, oh shit will bring your height down so fucking fast. Holy shit, boy. He's literally coming right behind me, bro. Ain't no way. Ain't no fucking way. Yeah, you better leave, bitch. Bitch. Hey, let me know in the comments too down what YouTubers do you guys watch, you know, so like so I can get like some like suggestions, or like, what's that fucking word called, bro? You know, like, I'm pretty sure you guys know what I'm trying to say, you know, like, oh, you guys watch these YouTubers, all that. Let me make kind of like similar content, you know, like, I don't know, bro, I'm just fucking yapping. I'm gonna just be quiet for like a minute or something and think of something I can say, you know. Let me just check if I'm still recording, but alright. Hey, what much do you guys think I should do first to my CXT? I'm not trying to like spend like hella fucking money on it, you know, just like start out small, you know, because I am gonna end up selling the car like in a year or two. I just want to do something like for right now, you know. Yeah, tell me down in the comments what you guys think. I'm for sure gonna try and reroute this fucking camera, you know, so I don't have this right now. That's gonna be one. The exhaust I might modify, you know, because it is fucking, my car is quiet and I don't like it being quiet. Fuck out of here. Oh shit, that might be them right there. I don't know, bro. But yeah, this is San Diego. Let me just get over here. Get over here. And this is the kind of like tricky part right here. But I'm gonna end up you know, what's it called, I'm gonna end the video like in the little, cause obviously I'm not gonna be fucking recording when my mom's here, you know, my family coming back from their trip. So yeah, I might just like, what's it called, just record for like a little while more, so you guys see a little bit more of San Diego, those of you that haven't been here. Bro, why are you fucking stopping right here? Move, bitch. Bro, I keep getting yellow after yellow, holy. Oh shit, your ambulance. There you go. Bro, I feel so weird with a fucking GoPro. Like, my eyebrows are fucked. I don't know if you guys see me, but my head is starting to hurt. I mean, I can probably like lower the windows down a little now. Hurry up, bruh. Fucking slow ass people, bruh. Holy shit, taking your sweet ass time. Was that sign to my left like fucking upside down, or am I tripping? But yeah, this is what's it called, San Diego Airport. If y'all ever like come to San Diego, you know, let me know. Let me know. I'll come pick you up. Let's actually go over here. Fuck this. Y'all see that plastic down there in that car in front of me? Squeeze through here. And then I gotta squeeze. Actually, never mind. I gotta squeeze through here. Thanks, bruh. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video. Make sure to you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all boys in the next one.